Hello, this is Tim. Welcome to learning how to connect for our second quarter conference call. It's pretty simple. All I need you to do is get on your computer, log into your computer with internet, whether it's Google or Internet Explorer, whichever you prefer. I like Google. I'm going to Google Chrome. And it's as simple as logging in to our district website. And that is optimus-dmm-org. See, I got it right there. I click enter. And it's going to bring you to our district webpage. If you haven't been there, hey, check it out. Trying to update it, keep it going. Any ideas, let me know. Pretty simple to just click on district meetings. And that's where we're going to start. Any documents we're going to have for sharing would be stored in here as well. But now I just want to connect to the conference call. I want to see what's going on. Click here to connect to call. Pretty simple. Brings you to the web page. You can tell you're the right spot. If you see Kevin's picture, smiling face there, it's because Kevin Hamill, we're at the right site. Simply click Join Online Meeting. Really tough. It's going to ask you who you are. Just to make it easier for Kevin and I to be able to track who's in the meeting and what your position is. If you put your title of your position with the club, whether you're president or if you're lieutenant governor, or in my case, I am webmaster. MGATS. That just helps us identify who's at the meeting, put in your email address, and say join. Now you see that we are connected to it, waiting for the presenter to share. If Kevin was sharing anything right now, you would see his screen. But you want to call in now. You want to identify, be able to hear what's going on and talk and such. So click on the little telephone icon. You can connect via telephone. If you connect via telephone, it's going to ask you to call this number, this 1563 number, enter in these access codes, and then click next, and it'll go through and allow you to sync your computer and your phone at the same time. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to connect through mic and speakers because that's my preferred way of doing it, and should be easier for you to do too if you have a speaker and microphone on your computer. Just click on microphone. It's going to ask you to connect. The first time it might ask you to allow to use your speakers or not, and just say allow. I've done this before, so it's not asking me. So now I can hear what's going on in the background. Got a little music playing until we wait. Anyway, the other thing I want you to do, if you're willing to, is to share your video with us. This little camera icon, if you want to click the camera on, it turns on your camera. So, hey everybody, how you doing? That way, when you're talking, you'd be showing main screen in the thing. So it's easier to see a voice than a face together. You get inflection versus just hearing sound. If you want to mute it, you just click on the mute button right up here. That way they can't hear you. And that's preferred to do if you are not talking. That way a dog barking in the background doesn't interrupt the meeting or anything. You want to talk, just click on that and say, hey, I have something to say, and start talking. All right. And of course, phone call etiquette is the best way to do it. If someone's talking, try not to interrupt them unless it's really important. Got it? When you're done, just click hang up. And no more of that, no more video. And we're done. Pretty simple. Thanks for your watching.